So number 63 Edgerton, just having a look at the front of the property. I don't believe it's the roof. The roof has had some new piping from the bay level roof up to the peak. The chimney's been redone. It's definitely not the best, but it has been redone. We've got some lead work that is lapsed halfway over a few inches. We've got the flashings and we've got the pointing, which looks reasonable, but they've not paid attention to the top of the chimney, top two courses, and as you can see the mortar on top there, just below the new pots, that's not been redone. Looks like next door hasn't got any at all, so that would need looking at some point, but I don't believe the issue in the basement is caused by this at all. Although the top of the chimney definitely does need flaunching. Air bricks should be in there, or at least another 2 more pots. So you've got breathability at the peak there, but not right the way through, and the flaunching, as we know, is key, because that's right at the very peak. Moving on to the base, into the garden. As we can see, the window is sunken, just over a metre tall, around 900 wide. What we do have is four bricks, and then we're just sunken into this little level. But my question is, where's the drainage? So as we traced it back, if you remember, from all the way along this wall, it actually comes back the moisture to around bang on here. So this is where it's coming in. Because when it rains hard, well, where does it go? There is no drainage system, so it just comes back into the house. We've got these cracks up the side here where the building meets this area. There's holes on the left. It's just going to be sitting in here and finding its way into the property. My initial thought was tanking, and that is very costly, but as it's just this area predominantly in the basement, I imagine you've had it tanked somewhere in the property elsewhere, so this is the issue. Now there's two options. We can either remove the window, put in a new window from here to here. You're going to lose light, you're going to lose a lot of light. It's going to be a small window, and then we'd fill up this area and just make it seamless, just flag up to here. We just have to fill the entire section. Option 2 is a cheaper option. I've run out of charge, hence why I'm using my stereo as a charge pack. This is a gas meter. Very unusual, never seen anything like this. It comes out of the house and your meter's here. What we could do is build a canopy. It'd be ideal to protect this as well, but really if we have a wall plate along here and we make bespoke a unit that comes away, put a small little green or red mineral roof on here, that'll just keep the water out of this area. To seal the abutment wall, I wouldn't use lead because somebody could just come and swipe it, so I'll use Lead-X. Go into the chase with the Lead-X, and the roof would start here, and then we'd do our little canopy, and that'll just keep it out of this area. Option 2, as I said, was to take the window out, fill this up, put a smaller window in. So these are the options, and that is definitely going to resolve the water coming in here and running right the way along this wall. Okay, any questions, give me a call anytime.